we think that we might have stumbled into the wrong sort of area here on the Nudist Beach. Photographs, gotta go. Clearing out. Coursework. Gotta go. I don't wanna fall in. You can have attention, don't ask to know this isn't forever. I don't wanna fall in. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in. I don't wanna fall in love. We managed to pack you underwear and socks, and that's as far as it got. We didn't pack you any trousers or any more shorts or any
very warm feet and very warm genitals, but other than that.
If we both agree there'll be no one else left to blame, we can go through with this, then go back to being the same. To love and hold us over it, we aren't together. Nothing lasts a while, waste time on emotion. It only takes and takes, don't make that mistake. Just hold on to your heart, I might not be falling for you, but this is still real. Don't mistake this feeling for love, cause it's not no. Yeah, I've been hurt and I ain't going back there anymore. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in. You can have attention, don't ask to know this isn't forever. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in. I don't wanna fall in, I don't wanna fall in love.
So we're on Studland Beach here in Dorset. It's supposed to be the best nudist beach in the UK. We have sort of brought ourselves onto a little sandy bank. It's a bit more secluded, and obviously there are lots of nudists down on the beach down there. But while I'm recording this, there's quite a few people have decided to have a little trek through this little sand dune area. So about 4 men have walked past in the period of about 5 minutes, obviously nude. And yeah, I've been blushing just a little bit because I'm not used to seeing penises in this setting. I am a retired nurse, so I have seen a lot of penises in my day. I used to work on the angiography department, in the cardiac unit, and we used to go in via the femoral artery, so obviously we had to check that area for bleeding. More often than not, if I asked to see the top of a man's leg, you know, near the groin area, they would just, you know, throw back the covers and be like, sure, here it is. So I have seen quite a few penises. So I'm still getting a little bit red because I'm not used to seeing men just walking around the beach with their tackle hanging. But obviously a lot of people take being nudist very, very seriously. For most people like who are true nudists, it's not about getting like some sort of cheap thrill, it's about getting back to nature and being free, embracing your natural given body. For us, we're just here for the experience, but we're also here soaking up the sun's rays and increasing our hormone D levels. Yes, it's a hormone, it's not actually a vitamin. It's dubbed a vitamin by the pharmaceutical industry. Hormone D is what the body produces when you expose the skin to sunlight. I think it's nice to have a little bit of a healthy glow. Obviously I don't advocate for burning your skin, so we're not going to stay out here for too long because even though it's overcast, I know that you can get seriously burnt, so we'll probably stay here for a little while. Chris definitely needs to work on his skin. He looks like he's wearing a t-shirt and shorts even though he's obviously nude, so he needs to work on his colour a bit. see where I'm pointing right there, that is old Harry's Rock and his wife, who is a stack. So we're gonna try and head over there because it is a beautiful site, and we're gonna try and fly the drone over there, because obviously I don't think we'll be allowed to fly the drone here on the nudist beach. We wouldn't want to embarrass anybody.